Florianopolis, often affectionately called Floripa by locals and visitors alike, is a captivating city nestled on the southern coast of Brazil. This island city, with its unique blend of natural beauty, vibrant culture, and rich history, offers an extraordinary experience for anyone eager to explore the multifaceted identity of a place that seamlessly marries tradition with modernity. To truly understand Florianopolis, one must start with its geographical setting. The city is situated predominantly on the island of Santa Catarina, which is part of the larger Santa Catarina Island. The island itself is approximately 54 kilometers long and 18 kilometers wide at its broadest point, featuring a rugged coastline dotted with pristine beaches, lush forests, and tranquil lagoons. It is connected to the mainland via a series of bridges, notably the Hercílio Luz Bridge, an iconic symbol of the city and a marvel of engineering from the early 20th century. The city's strategic location along the Atlantic Ocean has historically made it a vital port and a hub for maritime activity. Historically, Florianopolis's roots trace back to indigenous peoples who inhabited the region long before European contact. The Guarani and Carijo tribes were among the original inhabitants, thriving in the area's abundant natural resources. The arrival of Portuguese explorers in the 16th century marked the beginning of European influence, with settlers establishing fishing villages and small settlements. Over the centuries, the city grew as a center for fishing, agriculture, and trade, with waves of European immigrants, particularly Germans, Italians, and Portuguese, contributing to its diverse cultural fabric. This multicultural heritage is visibly reflected in local architecture, cuisine, festivals, and traditions. The city's climate is classified as humid subtropical, characterized by warm summers and mild winters. Average temperatures in the summer hover around 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, 77 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, while winter months see temperatures often dropping to 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, 50 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit. The natural landscape plays a significant role in shaping the local climate, with the Atlantic Ocean moderating temperature fluctuations and providing a steady supply of moisture, fostering lush greenery throughout the year. Florianopolis is renowned globally for its stunning beaches, which range from bustling surf spots like Joaquina and Mole to secluded coves such as Lagoinha do Leste. The city boasts over 40 beaches, each with its own character and appeal. Surfing is a major activity, attracting enthusiasts from around the world eager to ride the famous waves. Beyond its beaches, the city offers a wealth of outdoor activities such as hiking, mountain biking, paragliding, and sailing. The surrounding Atlantic forest, a UNESCO biosphere reserve, provides habitats for diverse flora and fauna, making ecotourism a vital part of the local economy. Culturally, Florianopolis is a vibrant mosaic. Its festivals celebrate a blend of indigenous, European, and African influences. The Festa do Divino Espírito Santo, for example, is a traditional religious festival featuring processions, music, and communal meals, highlighting the deep-rooted spirituality of the community. The city also hosts the Festival de Dança, showcasing local and international dance talents, and the Festival de Música, which promotes regional musicians and bands. Culinary traditions are equally diverse, with seafood dishes like sequencia de camarão, shrimp sequence, maquica, a seafood stew, and acreage reflecting the Atlantic coast's bounty. The influence of Italian and German immigrants is evident in local bakeries, beer breweries, and traditional festivals, enriching the city's cultural landscape. Economically, Florianopolis has transitioned from a primarily fishing and agriculture-based economy to a modern hub for technology, tourism, and education. Known as the Silicon Valley of Brazil, the city has attracted numerous tech startups and IT companies, fostering innovation and entrepreneurship. The presence of universities and research centers fuels this technological growth, providing a skilled workforce and fostering research initiatives. Tourism remains a cornerstone of the local economy, with visitors drawn to its beaches, natural parks, and vibrant cultural scene. The hospitality industry, including hotels, restaurants, and tour operators, thrives on the steady influx of tourists year-round. Environmental sustainability is a growing priority for Florianopolis. The city has implemented numerous initiatives to preserve its natural resources, including waste management programs, protected areas, and eco-friendly infrastructure projects. The local government encourages sustainable tourism practices, aiming to balance economic growth with environmental conservation. This commitment is evident in conservation efforts for the Atlantic forest, marine protected areas, and the promotion of eco-friendly transportation options like bike paths and public transit. In recent years, Florianopolis has also become a center for education and research. The Federal University of Santa Catarina, UFSC, located in the city, is one of Brazil's leading institutions, offering programs across a broad spectrum of disciplines, including environmental sciences, engineering, and social sciences. The university serves as a hub for academic excellence and innovation, attracting students and researchers from across Brazil and beyond. The city's infrastructural development has kept pace with its growth, featuring modern amenities, transportation networks, and cultural venues. The International Airport of Florianopolis, Hercílio Luz International Airport, connects the city with major Brazilian cities and some international destinations, facilitating tourism and business travel. Urban planning efforts aim to improve public spaces, enhance transportation, and maintain the city's aesthetic appeal amid rapid development. Florianopolis's community life is characterized by warmth, hospitality, and a strong sense of identity. Local residents, known as Floripenses, take pride in their city's natural beauty, cultural heritage, and vibrant lifestyle. The city's social fabric is woven through community events, sports clubs, artistic endeavors, and local markets. Markets such as Mercado Público serve as bustling centers of commerce where fresh seafood, produce, and handcrafted goods are exchanged, fostering social interaction and supporting local artisans.